In this video, I want to show you guys how to use your phone as a mic for your Windows PC. So there is this free and open source project called Android Mic at GitHub. Using this, you can use your phone as a mic for your PC. Let's say your PC mic is broken, or you're just looking for a better sounding mic for your PC while gaming, or you just want to record something. You know, your phone actually has a really good mic. It sounds really good. So yeah, you can use this app to turn your phone into a mic and use it for maybe gaming, better sounding mic, or maybe recording, or whatever you're trying to do. So to get this app, you have to go to releases and download it for Windows, and it is actually also available for Linux and Mac. Okay, so I'm on Windows, so we can just download the Windows setup exe file, and we also have to get the APK file and install it on our phone. Okay, so once we have installed on our phone and also on our PC, and we can use two methods to turn our phone into a mic: Wi-Fi or USB, whichever you prefer. So on Windows, I recommend you guys to go to settings and then click on use recommended audio format, and it will automatically set up the sample rate, channel count, and audio format. And you can also use some features like noise reduction, and then you can close the settings. And now on your phone, open the Android Mic app and click on the hamburger menu, and here you can select the connection mode. Okay, I'm going to use the Wi-Fi, but if you're using USB, let's say, to connect your phone to PC, you can choose here USB. And then I need to enter the IP address where it says IP port. So we have to enter the IP address of our PC to our phone in here. Okay, so in network adapter, you'll see your PC IP address. Just enter that to your phone and click save. And on your PC, you'll need one more software called Virtual Audio Cable, or VB Cable. Okay, Virtual Audio Cable is a premium software, so just download the VB Audio, and this is the one that I'm actually using. So here you just get the latest version of VB Cable driver. It's a zip file. Unzip it, install it. Once you install it, go back to the Android Mic app on your PC, and under audio device, select cable input to VB Audio, and after that you can just simply click on connect. On your phone, you also have to click on connect. Once connected, you can see the audio is coming. You can actually see here it's audio meter. Let's just say that. Now let's use it. Actually, I'm gonna use a Audacity software, and for the recording device, we have to select the cable output VB Audio. Okay, so this is a free and open source software called Audacity. I'm gonna use this to record something in here, and I'm gonna hold my phone like this so it sounds better. Okay, so let's test this out. Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. And it's actually pretty good. I think it's gonna sound really good. I don't know. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now let's listen to that. Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. And it's actually pretty good. I think it's gonna sound really good. I don't know. It's even better than the mic that I'm using. This one. And I haven't done any noise reduction or no, nothing like that, and it sounds really good. If you're looking for a professional mic just to record something on your PC, just use your phone, brother. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, it's actually really good. Now you may be wondering, how do I use this while gaming or recording? You just need to choose your phone as a mic. So if you go to sound settings, under microphone settings, choose a device for speaking or recording. Here you can choose this option, cable output. Make sure it's VB Audio virtual cable. So basically, if you're on game, let's say you want to use it on while gaming, you can just choose this option instead of your actual mic. Okay, so this is my actual mic. In game, I can just change the setting from actual mic to this cable output, and make sure in Android Mic software, cable input is selected. Cable input VB Audio virtual cable. Make sure it's selected. Now, if you need to disconnect, you can click on disconnect. Again, you can use two methods, either Wi-Fi or USB, whichever you prefer. Now, you don't need to enter the IP address on your phone again and again. Once you set this up, you're all good to go. So you just simply click on connect again on your PC and also on your phone, and it will get connected. And you can see the audio waveform here. That means it's working. It's picking up the waves there, you can see. So that's the indication that it's working. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.